What if I told you the stars you see at night might not be stars at all? What if some of them are already taken? We grow up believing that stars are eternal, giant nuclear furnaces glowing freely in the dark. But there's a theory scientists whisper about, a theory that says the brightest objects in our sky might not be natural anymore. It's called the Dyson Sphere Hypothesis. And the idea is simple, but terrifying. Civilization far more advanced than ours, thousands, maybe millions of years ahead, wouldn't mind planets the way we do. They wouldn't fight over oil or metals or lithium. They would just go straight to the source, a star. Imagine building a structure so massive it completely surrounds the sun it feeds on. A sphere, a shell, or a swarm of machines capturing every photon, every ounce of energy. That's a Dyson sphere, a cosmic blackout curtain. A star turned into a battery. And here's where it gets strange. Astronomers have already found stars that flicker, dim, or vanish in ways we can't explain. Not exploding, not dying, just disappearing, slowly, as if something is building around them. One of the most famous cases? Tabby's star, the star that dims by 22% for no natural reason we can confirm. NASA called it bizarre, others called it impossible. But the truth is, nothing in nature behaves that way. And here's the part no one wants to talk about. If advanced civilizations exist, we would never see them. Why? Because they wouldn't be shining. They wouldn't broadcast radio waves. They wouldn't leave signals. Would hide inside artificial night behind a captured star, quietly harvesting energy in a machine the size of a solar system. Now look at our own future. We've already begun. Solar farms in orbit. Plans for megastructures. Talk of mining the sun's energy from space. We're taking our first steps towards something humanity shouldn't even be able to imagine yet. So here's the question the theory forces on us. If we're only at step 1, what would step 10 look like? What would step 1000 look like? And what if someone else has already walked that path? What if the night sky isn't empty, just occupied? What if the stars that suddenly dim aren't dying, but being swallowed? Remember, everything I've said is just a theory, not advice, not fact. Tell me, do you think stars are burning naturally, or being harvested by someone far beyond us?
Leave one below.